Oh, hey, Sean. Great idea last night. Oh, let's go out to Chinatown where we go to a karaoke bar in the basement that has a $25 cover charge and always smells like somebody's constantly farting. I gotta do a video today. Oh, there's nothing in there. You know what? We're gonna power through this. You and me. And so, what's up, my little sake bomb? And welcome to J-Max Amateur Kitchen. Today, we're making a beer flip cocktail. Nothing makes you feel better. Nothing makes you feel better from drinking too much alcohol than more alcohol, obviously. We're gonna try this beer flip. This cocktail seems to be trending in a lot of bars lately. Every time the bartender drops a whole egg in the shaker, people freak out a little bit. Let's go through this here in case you run into that situation. Before we just start dropping eggs in beer, let's go through the ingredients. I'm gonna use Irish whiskey. You can use really any dark spirit, rum, brandy. Next is just beer. I wanted a dark one, so I got a porter and a brown sugar simple syrup. Let's start off by making the simple syrup. In a pot, you're gonna combine a half a cup of brown sugar, a half a cup of water, and we're gonna throw a cinnamon stick in there. Throw that on the stove, cook that for about 5 minutes. We'll just throw that into a container, wrap it up, throw it in the fridge, let it sit for at least an hour. Pro tip, hey, if you're making a big batch of simple syrup and you want it to last in the fridge, add about a tablespoon of vodka to preserve it. Next, let's open up a beer, pour it in a pot, and we just want to heat it up until it starts steaming. We don't want to boil it. Look at that steam. Can you see that steam? I don't think you can see it. It's steaming. Alright, let's start putting together the cocktail. I got this recipe from punchdrink.com, so shout out to them. Babe, you are making a lot of noise. I'm trying to shoot a video here. We're starting off with 1.5 ounces of our whiskey. 1/2. We're gonna follow that up with 1.5 ounces of our amazing brown sugar syrup. 1/2. And last, the moment you've all been waiting for, the egg. Don't be scared. We have a 1 large, organic, cage-free, grass-fed brown egg. It's gonna be fine. Salmonella is only in 1 in 20,000 eggs. All right, let's cap that off. And we're gonna what's called dry shaking it. We're shaking it without ice for 30 seconds. All right, I'm gonna strain that into a glass and add in our hot beer. Give that a quick stir. Damn. We're just gonna pour that into a couple glasses. And top that off with a little nutmeg. And that's the beer flip cocktail. Perfect hangover cure. Beer flip cocktail. Beer flip cocktail. I don't have it because I filmed this part first, so. Jesus, what is going on? Oh, shit. I heard people watching this. That was uncalled for. Just, no, take your time. It's fine.